Hi, I am Minna Salonsaari, a BIM specialist at Gravikon, and I have worked with the structural models in this project. In this video, I'm going to show you how different types of objects can be identified and also one way to do quantity takeoff from the model. Softwares that I use are Tekla Structures 2023, which has been used for modeling, and Solibri Office 9.13 for the IFC4 file, which is kind of an information exchange model.
Here you can see one of the models that has been done in Tekla Structures. Identification of the objects decided to be done by IFC entity and its a predefined type. So for example, columns are identified as IFC columns, slabs as IFC slabs, and so on. Also, name of the object has to be unified and value for properties is external and load bearing needs to be entered correctly. For example, here we can see a column and its settings. All the given values in native model can be exported to IFC and then be used for different purposes when needed. Here you can define name, and here the IFC entity and predefined type for the object. For load bearing and its external values, you need to go to user defined attributes. And from there, structural information, where you can set these values as wanted. When all this information is set correctly for all the objects in the model, IFC file can be created and it will work as an information exchange model for LCA calculations. If there are any lack of information in the IFC file, you need to make sure that export settings are made correctly. Now that we have the IFC file, we can open it in any software that reads IFCs and get the info we want and need. So here we have the same model open in Solibri as we had in Tekla Structures. When we go and check the properties of that particular column, we can find them same as they are in native model. Here's the entity, and here the predefined type. Load bearing and its external values can be found here. For quantity takeoffs, we can use Solibri's information takeoff. This calculates automatically material quantities that can be exported to Excel and then be used as wanted. In this case, quantities would be used for LCA calculations. All the values that have been used for object identification in structural models can be found in each model's BIM specification document.
For further use of the models, it should be noted that they have been developed primarily according to the principles of the BIM4LCA project. These models are not flawless, and the plans have not been thoroughly examined from a technical point of view, nor, for example, have the structural solutions been calculated or otherwise structurally dimensioned in detail. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.